Still on health, a new nursing and midwifery training school has been opened in the Mamprugu Maduri district, of the northeast region. Now, the new college is the second of its kind and comes 18 years after the first one was opened in Nalerigu. At a number of chiefs and people of the district to mark the commissioning of the college, the divisional chief of the Kabori area appealed to government to provide the needed infrastructure and resources for the effective training of professional nurses and midwives at the school.
The commissioning ceremony was held at the school premises in Kubori and attended by several dignitaries, including representatives of the Wungu traditional area, the regional minister, the member of parliament, and the district chief executive. Also present were the regional chairman of the governing party, the regional director of health service, the principal, tutors, students, and members of the community. The principal of the college, Timothy Baloni Dut, in his address, expressed enormous gratitude to the stakeholders who ensured the successful establishment of the college. The principal said despite the numerous challenges faced, the college had admitted its first batch of students.
For the 2023-2024 academic year, we have admitted 200 students. This comprises of 90 registered general nursing, 55 registered midwifery, and 55 registered public health nursing. I want to caution the students against engaging in deviant behavior and rather study hard. Consider yourself very lucky to be admitted into Kubori College of Nursing and Midwifery as pioneers, because we are going to give you the best of training.
He said the college was faced with challenges such as inadequate infrastructure, lack of means of transport, and poor telecommunication connection. He appealed for those challenges to be addressed.
We are therefore appealing to the government and other well-wishers to come and assist in the areas of classroom blocks, hostel accommodation for students, and bungalows for staff. The college is appealing to His Excellency, the Vice President, through our hard-working MP, Honorable Mustafa, to support the college with a pickup vehicle and the school bus to enable us carry out administrative duties effectively.
In a speech read on his behalf, the chief of Kubori also sang the praises of the vice president as well as other political leaders in the region. The chief also added his voice to the call on the government to prioritize the development of the college.
Accommodation for staff and students is very critical, and so are classroom blocks. Regional Minister has assured me something will be done next year to alleviate this problem. Extra borehole to supply water, especially during dry season, will be helpful. Bad roads. We need a speedy completion of Uyima Bridge.
The member of parliament expressed his excitement and assured the college will be given the needed attention.
We started the project just like we have seen today, but we have a very big plan for this college. There is a comprehensive plan that we have drawn for this college. And as we journey together, we will see the infrastructure development that we are going to bring here. His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, has assured me that he's not going to let this college, he's going to support us to ensure that we get all the necessary infrastructure for this college.
Regional Minister Yidana Zakari commended the Ministry of Health and the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission for facilitating the establishment of the college. Mr. Yidana added that the new college will contribute to an increase in the number of qualified applicants from the region seeking to study nursing and midwifery programs.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Minister of Health and the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission deserves our sincere appreciation for facilitating the establishment of this college, which is the second in the Northeast region. With the establishment of this college, there certainly will be an increase in the number of qualified applicants from the region who are desirous of pursuing programs in nursing, midwifery, and the allied health sciences.
The minister also responded to the appeals made by the principal of the college and the chief of Kubore for the development of the new college.
We are going to benefit from a number of boreholes in the region. So come the early part of 2024, we shall be sinking a minimum of 2 boreholes in the school year. Classroom accommodation. As we cut the tape to commission the school and the buildings, we shall also be cutting saw for the construction of additional classrooms today. That tells you that the commitment on the part of government has never been in doubt and will never be. More tutors. I want to assure the principal, given that we are going to do recruitment next year, this school shall be considered so that you get the right caliber of professionals recruited for teaching and learning to go on.
From Kubore for Joy News, Ilyas Sotanko reporting.
Well, the Garden City Special School in the Ashanti region is decrying the insufficient amount of feeding grants received by the school each year of the over 190 children in the school. They live on 5 cedis 50 pesos a day. Headmistress of the school, Dr. Rosalind Frimpoma Ejapong, says the situation has left the school indebted to food suppliers.
The Garden City Special School serves persons living with intellectual and developmental disabilities in the Ashanti region and parts of eastern and western regions. Despite the growing numbers of students, feeding challenges adversely affect the efficient running of the school. School authorities have to manage a feeding budget of less than 6 cedis for 3 meals daily for 192 students whose ages range from 7 to 31. Headmistress of the school, Dr. Rosalind Frimpoma Ejapong, is calling the Ghana Education Service to fulfill the promise of raising the grant amount. She also cited issues of overcrowding in several classrooms due to increasing number of admissions into the school and the school's limited facilities.
The feeding grants. You know, it's a government school, so monies are brought in by Ghana Education Service. They do well. But the amount we take now is not enough and it's not helping us. And we are praying, though we know they are working on it, but we pray that they work on it fast for us so that we can pay the bills that have been accumulated. We need to expand the school. There are more people coming in, but our classrooms, because they were built by a German volunteer with the idea of only 8 children in one classroom, the classrooms are small classrooms. We need to have more classrooms.
Despite the challenges, the schools supported by entities strive to provide extensive services to improve the conditions for children with special needs. The Regent Foundation and Help a Brook Foundation have collaborated to put smiles on the faces of the kids. The foundation donated assortable consumable items and classroom learning teaching materials, including packets of text and exercise books, pens and pencils. The group, led by Dylan Opoku, founder of Regent Foundation, also took the children through creative skills to improve the creative skills efforts of the school. Co-founder of Regent Foundation, Deborah Akushika Mensa, said the government's support is eminent to keep the school functioning effectively.
With what they have done so far that we've seen, we realize that the students are very talented, and if the government could support them more with their materials that they use to perform all of these magic, then it would help them. And then as well as letting them come out of the school to show the world what they can do, and then with sponsorship outside of the country as well, they can reach higher heights.
Help a Brook Foundation founder Henry Akwesi Boatin said the gesture was embarked on recognizing the positive roles the institution performs in caring for special needs children.
The intention is to put a smile on the worried face. So we chose this Garden City Special School. Came to see the mistress and spoke with her. So we had a list of items they wanted, and we gathered the resources according to what they give to us. So we purchased exercise books, pens, pencils, and all stationaries that are needed in school. Though it's a special school, they also have some special items, specific special items they needed, abacus and so many things. But we were able to at least purchase a lot of items that was provided on the list.
Reporting for Joy News, Clinton Yeboah.